In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a withdrawal from your pocket option account. Whether you're looking to access your funds for personal use, further investments, or for any other reason, I'll guide you through the simple and effective process, ensuring you can confidently manage your finances seamlessly. First, begin by opening up your pocket option dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your trading activities. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll notice a photo or icon. Click on this photo, which generally represents your profile or account settings. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to help you manage your account preferences and activities. From the available options, you'll want to select the withdrawal option. This will take you to a dedicated page designed for managing your financial transactions. Here, you'll find an overview of your current account balance, providing you with the essential details needed to proceed with your transaction. Additionally, the page will clearly indicate the minimum withdrawal amount, ensuring you know how much you need to have in your account to make a transaction possible. Next, it's time to choose your preferred payment method. The flexibility here is quite helpful, as Pocket Option offers several methods to accommodate different user preferences. For instance, if you wish to use your Visa card, simply select it from the list provided. This step is crucial because it determines how and where your funds will be transferred. As you move forward, you'll need to provide your account number. This is the specific number associated with your financial account, serving as a vital piece of information for processing your transactions securely. It's important to double-check this information to avoid any delays or errors. Additionally, you'll need to enter the name exactly as it appears on the cardholder. Accuracy here is key. This ensures that your transaction is processed smoothly, with all details properly matching the records held by your card issuer. Once all details are filled out accurately, you're ready for the final step. Simply press Continue to confirm your withdrawal request. By doing so, you initiate the process, and that's essentially it. You've successfully requested a withdrawal from your Pocket Option account. Remember, it might take some time for the funds to appear in your selected account based on processing times and bank policies. I recommend keeping any confirmation emails or transaction IDs until the withdrawal is complete, just in case you need to reference these in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to withdrawing funds from your Pocket Option account. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to help.